Hello everyone. Today let's make crunchy potato salad. This is yet again a very easy recipe. Crunchy potatoes in some smooth yogurt sauce is an absolute hit whenever guests come over. So without further ado, let's get cooking. For this recipe, I have about 500 to 600 grams of baby potatoes, which I will be cooking in a cooker for 1 whistle, making sure it does not overcook. That looks perfect. And I will let it cool and smash them one by one on parchment paper. Just flatten them the slightest bit. I am not taking the skin off because that is the crunchy part of the salad. It's absolutely delicious. Once that's done, you could bake them in the oven or pop it in the air fryer. I made them in an air fryer at 180 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. Then we will prepare the sauce. For this, I am adding 3 tablespoons of yogurt. I'm using thick hung yogurt. Along with this, I'm adding some mayo. Now this one is chili mayo, you could use a normal one. 1 clove of garlic minced, some chopped coriander, some chopped parsley, half a teaspoon of chili powder, some salt to taste, and my favorite ingredient again, dry mango powder, just a tad. Give them all a good mix. Now you could add more spices according to your taste and more yogurt if you want the salad to be more saucy. To this we will add our crunchy potatoes. I've just broken them into smaller bits. Add a squeeze of half a lemon, some freshly chopped onions, some coriander leaves on top, and toss them all together. I'll be honest, I added some more paprika powder after this because I wanted it to be a little more spicy. Now you can adjust that based on your taste. And once that's done, your crunchy potato salad is ready. Keep the fried potatoes in the sauce separate and mix them just before eating so you can maintain the crunch in the potatoes. This potato salad is about to be your next favorite. Try this recipe because you are going to fall in love with this, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!